Billy was riding his bike on a very cold day. His bike slid on the ice. He lost control and hit a tree. He fell off his bike and lay on the ground for a while. And then he sat up. He was in shock, but he realized he was okay, and he rode away. What has just happened? Billy's bike has slid on the ice. He has lost control and hit a tree. He has fallen off his bike and he has lain on the ground for a while, and then he has sat up. He was in shock, but he has ridden away. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.